Here's Storebox app. So what is it? So and yeah, you can just tap get to install it. And yeah, so what the idea of it is that you can get all your receipts digitally with Storebox. With the Storebox app, keeping all your receipts in order is easy. Register your payment cards on Storebox.com or directly in the app, and you are ready to use the service. You will automatically receive digital receipts for the purchases you make with your payment card in the many stores that have signed up to Storebox. With Storebox on your mobile app, you can view receipts, be notified of a new receipt, add or remove payment card, search in receipt, download receipt, delete it, and all of that. Uh, so yeah, pretty cool idea. And then yeah, you can just get all of these, receipts from number of stores. I don't know if this app works outside of Denmark. It just seems it's in the Danish. So yeah, there you have it. So that's just like an overview.